Installation and demonstration. Connect the inlet. Connect the outlet. Open the water injection bolt. Fill it with water. Tighten the water injection bolt. Plug in the power. Press the switch to turn the pump on. Press the up or down arrow to set the pressure value to 2 kilograms. Long press the up arrow for 3 seconds to see the pressure setting. Open when tap. Pressure is 2 kilograms. Open 3 taps at the same time. The pressure value is still 2 kilograms. Variable frequency constant pressure is guaranteed. Turn off the tap. The pump will stop automatically. Fire alarm goes elimination. Leakage. Check the inlet and outlet pipe for leakage. If there is no leakage, remove the inlet pipe and check whether there is any foreign body in the sealing ring of the check valve. It can be used normally after the foreign body was cleaned. E6. Pressure sensor failure. Disassemble the pump casing. Check if the pressure sensor wire is loose or fossil. If it doesn't fall off, the pressure sensor needs to be replaced and removed. Replace with a new pressure sensor. Insert the wire into the control panel and pull the casing back to eliminate the fault. E8. Controller failure. Need to replace the controller and control panel. Disable the pump casing. Remove the top cover of the controller and unplug the wire on the controller. Remove the pressure sensor. Remove the controller. Fix the new controller on the pump. Insert the line back in the same way. Replace the top cover, pressure sensor, pump casing, pressure sensor or signal wire to complete the troubleshooting.